हाय एवरीवन, आई एम बैक अगेन। और आज मैं अपने वीडियो में आपको एक बहुत ही अच्छी चीज़ सिखाने वाली हूँ। सिखाने नहीं, दिखाने वाली हूँ। बेसिकली मैं आज डांस फॉर्म के बारे में बात करना चाहती हूँ। आप लोग सोचोगे कि बीइंग अ फिजियो एंड हेल्थ एक्सपर्ट, डांस के बारे में क्या बात करूँ। ये एक्चुअली यू आर राइट। डांस एक ऐसी फॉर्म होती है जो आपके पूरे बॉडी को मूव करने में मदद करती है। बहुत सारी स्टडीज़ ने ऐसे देखा है कि जब हम डांस मूव्स यूज़ करते हैं या फिर हमारी फेवरेट म्यूज़िक के ऊपर हम अपने बॉडी को मूव करते हैं, सो देयर इज़ अ काइंड ऑफ नर्वस सिस्टम एक्टिवेशन दैट हैपेंस इन आवर बॉडी। तो जब ये बात आती है तो हमारे बहुत सारे काफ़ी different kinds of age group of people can groove on their favorite music, and this also has got a lot of benefit in your body. Nervous system activation होता है, along with that आपकी good hormones release होती हैं body के अंदर, and of course जब hormones release होती हैं so you feel much better. So whenever you have time on your weekend or Sundays, just switch on your favorite music and let's just try to move some of our body part on my favorite music. Come on.
ऐसे तो सताए ना देखूं तुझको चैन आता है साहिबा मेरी नहीं आए ना रातें काटी जाए ना तेरा ही ख्याल दिन रहना आता है साहिबा समंदर मेरी आंखों में रह गए अम्मा तेरा बेजान तेरी यादों में रह गए ये वो की गवाही है हम रातों में रह गए ये सारे बस बस मेरे करीब है तू तेरी तरफ मुझको मेरी तरफ जाना हो तू कभी रूबरू शोर शराबा जो सीने में है मेरे कैसे भरा मैं करूं हाल जो मेरा है मैं किसको बताऊं सारे वक्त ना गिराएगा थोड़ा तो संभालो ना नाजुक है ये टूट जाता है सारे कैसी भला शब होगी वो समझो तेरे ढलती है दिल को कोई ख्वाहिश नहीं।
We're going to focus on our conditioning part now. So we have got the warm-up, conditioning and the cool-down phase. So to make it more enjoyable and just to avoid boredom, we will go into a little bit higher intensity of workout. That means we are going to use a little bit faster music track so that we are going to do a little bit of faster movement of activities which will involve our leg, trunk and hands as well. So let's get started. Stop. Now, when we complete the conditioning phase, it's time for us to cool down our body. So, whatever I have performed in the video, you can just try to do it at least for 20-25 minutes, and then when it's time to cool down your body or relax your body, you can just do simple stretches or simple activities of your body. It's not exactly dance, but yes, it is going to help you to relax your tight and squeezed up muscles so that you will be able to relax your mind and your body completely. So let's get started with some basic mat exercises where you can just sit down on the mat and do simple stretches along with the help of your music at the background. Now that we have completed the cool down phase, what next? Yes, we are still there. We are going to practice some few breathing exercises and some meditative forms जो आपके माइंड को completely relax करता है, and this is going to help you to maintain calmness in your mind, and also it helps you to reset your mind to complete the rest of the task of your day, right? So now let's just start it with doing a little bit of shoulder shrugging activities which you can do towards the back side. Now you can do it 10 to 15 repetitions, which is advisable, and it's the very slow and sustained manner, because if you do it in a jerky way, definitely your muscles are going to get hurt. Now shoulder shrugging के बाद हम लोग अपने neck का stretching करेंगे. Side to side, you can just close your eyes and stretch your neck on the left side and the right side. Now इसके बाद you can go for forward and backward, stretching of your forward down and back, forward down and back. Now after you are done with the stretching activities, we will be going for the basic breathing activities, which is going to focus on completely on your inner aspect of the body. So now you can close your eyes, put one hand on your chest and the abdomen. Try to do simple circular movement. You can inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth. Inhale and exhale and relax completely. Now you can try to relax your arms from shoulder to fingertips. And you can repeat the same from your hip to toe, relaxing your lower activity. And now you can put your fingertips on your forehead. Give gentle circular massage on your eyebrows, around the eyes, and try to move your cheek muscles out with the help of your knuckle of your fingers. At the chin and jawline, and upward stroke on your neck. Now you can go simply inhalation and exhalation. And you can rub your hands against each other. Put them on your eyes and face. And as you feel comfortable, you can gently open your eyes. So in this way, whether it's a dance form, whether it's dance aerobic, simply trying to stretch your body, हमेशा याद रखें म्यूजिक ऐसी चीज़ होती है जो आपके माइंड को completely relax करती है. But do not forget to complete the 3 phases. That is your warm up, the cool down. आपकी जो main 20-25 minutes होती है उसमें you can do different kinds of intensities of dance or workout, but you need to cool down as well. So when you cool down your body, आपकी body completely पहले की तरह हो जाती है and you become more fresh and more energetic. So did you like the video? अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल सो दैट मैं और भी बहुत सारे अच्छी वीडियोस आपके लिए बनाऊंगी अलग अलग लैंग्वेजेस में, एंड वी कैन वर्कआउट एंड स्टे फिट टुगेदर.